Hi guys, I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane today. I don't really have the model, but you'll see how it is at the end of this video. First, you take this side, the longest side, and turn it over in half. Make sure the corners are lined up very well. And now, once you've got that done, use your fingernail and crease that very well. And then, once you open it up, you take this corner, bring it into the middle like this. Right on that line. Now, once you got that, do the same thing to the other side. And now, once you've got that, you turn it back over again like this, and take this and bring it over like this. And then once you do that, you do the same thing to the other side. Sorry, I'm just fixing a mistake. You don't want them to be too close to the middle, right by themselves. Now, once you've got that done, you take it and fold it in half like this. Hold on, I'm gonna fix a mistake again. There. Now I gotta fold it in half like that. Now it should look like this. Once you've got that done, now we're gonna make the wings. So take this, bring it along like this. Make this as close to the edge as possible, but make sure it's not hitting exactly on the edge. Like this. Do the same thing to the other side. Make sure they're both lined up exactly where they're at. Like this. Now once you do that, you take your finger, go in the middle, and open the wings up like this. Now I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell if you want to see more of my videos. Alright, see you next time.